Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A. Here you can see this is Raiva. Here let's check the specification of this ROM. As you can see, this is the .os version 5.0.1. This is the .os version. Android version you will get Android 11 in this ROM for Redmi 5A. As you can see, Android on time .os Rolex. As you can see, this is the 5.0 official ROM. Here it is the official ROM Android version 11. Kernel here you can see Triton. Ropa Plus kernel is installed in this ROM and built here you can see 9 February built. We will check all the features and the bugs of this ROM. What are the features and how is the performance of this ROM? Is it good for daily usage or not? First let me tell you about the battery backup. Battery backup of this ROM is good and the SIM is working, Geo is working, Volt is working. There is no problem in the Volt and the Geo, so you can easily connect use the Geo SIM with Volt. Now let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, there is no problem. As you can see, I have already connected Wi-Fi without any problem. You can easily use, so I recommend this ROM for daily usage, so don't worry. But there is some sound coming from the speaker. I don't know whether the problem is in the ROM or in my device. I will update you in the description, so you can check the description in the bug section. If I write down that there is problem in the sound after installing other ROM, I will tell you about that in the description, so you can check the description. And the hotspot is also working perfectly, there is no restart of hotspot. And the Bluetooth audio device is you can easily connect without any problem or any bug. Here you can see the customization is the wallpapers available. As you can see, these are the wallpapers available in this ROM. As you can see, .os, walls, Lineage OS, other ROMs, you can download it. So these are the online wallpapers here. And the battery performance is good, as I have already tested, so don't worry, battery performance is good, but the battery charge is little bit slow while using your device. Here is the display brightness level is working. Here is the status bar. As you can see, this is the QS style status bar, and the status bar is यहाँ पे transparent. You can adjust it, and the adaptive brightness is also working. As you can see, some sound is coming from the speaker while tapping sound is enabled, tap sound is enabled. And the dark theme, as you can see, here is the dark theme. As you can see, here is the sound. Sometime it is coming after a few seconds. As you can see, night light is working perfectly, there is no problem. Here is the styles and wallpaper grid also available. Here is the lock screen. There is no always on display. Right here it is not always on display, you have to tilt sensor is available. While pickup you will get the clock icon fully black. Hand wave pocket is also available, so you can check it according to your use. Always not always on display, not full time always on. Here is a tap to wake. As you can see, double tap on the lock screen to wake, but it is not working. Double tap anywhere on the screen to wake device. As you can see, my sensors are accurate, but it is not working right now. As you can see, double tap is not working. And the DP, you can change the DP. For one DP is available in this ROM, it is default DP. And the font size, font display cutout is also available. Asian color, you can change the Asian colors also. As you can see, right now I have turned it to the black, and pinkish is also available. Yeah, many color Asian colors are available. As you can see, body font, you can change the font also. If you want to change it, you can simply change it without any problem. As you can see, it works perfectly. Icon shape, you can change the shape also, so don't worry, there is no problem. And the display and sound, let's check the sound performance. Sound is good in this ROM, enough loud sound, you will get enough loud sound in this ROM. Sorry, no is selected, so that's why. Vibration is working. Navigation bar, hardware button vibration is also working, so don't worry. Here is the sound. As you can see, side sound is very good in this ROM, so don't worry, no problem, no sound related problem in this ROM. And storage 6.83 GB is free, while there are few applications installed in this ROM, and maybe the zip file is also there in the storage. And the location is also working. It gives you accurate location, so don't worry. And the Google account, you can easily log in without any problem. As you can see, I have already logged in, so don't worry, it works perfectly. And there is the language system. Here is the system developer, system updates. There is no updates available right now, maybe later. There is the gestures, 3 button, 2 button gestures is also available, you can switch it, but the 3 button navigation bar is not enabled in this ROM. And let's check the navigation bar while the home button works. As you can see, home button works perfectly. There is no face unlock in this ROM. So as you can see, there is no option of face unlock, only the smart lock is available. So these are all the features of this ROM. I will not cover all the features, so you can check it according to your use. These are the applications, but I have installed some of the applications. And here is the camera. Let's check the camera. Here you can see this is the camera. This is a normal camera that is not very good. Let's check the safety net, whether our device is pass or not in this ROM, whether the .os ROM is pass. As you can see, Redmi 5A safety net is pass, success, everything is pass. So don't worry, and share me YouTube once it is already installed in the system. You can, if you want to remove it, you can simply update your YouTube application, so that then it will remove, then it will get to the normal. So don't worry. And AnTuTu benchmark, let's check the score of the AnTuTu benchmark. What is the score and how is the performance? As you can see, 63,000, and the side by side performance, side by side comparison will also be available for Redmi 5A. I am not 100% sure about Redmi 5A. As you can see, this is the score and the GPU performance, and we will not check the gaming performance. So gaming performance of this ROM is not good. I have tested, so I will not cover. Whichever the ROM gives better gaming performance, I will tell you about that in the video. I will also play the video, so don't worry. I don't get enough performance in this ROM, not good performance, so that's why I'm not testing gaming. And CPDT, let's check the CPDT also. RAM ROM, as you can see, let's test it. Start. Here's the sequential write for MB data user. As you can see, it will take few seconds to test. So here you can see, this is the result. As you can see, sequential read, sequential write. This is the RAM, all the RAM speed, sequential, as you can see, 2000 MB, 201, and the volt is working perfectly. There is no problem in the volt related problem. If you like the video, and press the like button also. And now let's check the system. Here is the Android version 11. Root access is not available. As you can see, this ROM is not pre-rooted. Bootloader unknown. Based Java. Kernel is Triton Rova plus. Root access is not available, so don't worry. You can simply use the Google Play services, matlab banking applications also. Now let's check whether the device is certified or not. Now let's check the setting. Here is the setting option. As you can see, device is certified, so you can easily use the banking applications. I'm not pretty sure. I don't use the banking application, so that's why I'm not able to tell you about that. But the Geo application is working. If the Geo application does not work, so the banking application will also not work, as the Geo application says the device is pre-rooted. So these are the full comparison. So this is the full review of the .os ROM 5.0. Whichever the version is this. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.